Welcome. In front of me I have a ZTE Blade 10, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off, and when the device shuts off you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the ZTE logo on the screen, hold it for like 2 more seconds and then let go. And from here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down to the second option, which is reboot to bootloader. And when selected, press power key, confirm that. And this will take us to Fastboot mode, which you can see right down here. So that is how you boot your device into Fastboot mode. And now to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down for about 10 seconds. Basically, you will hold it till this word right there disappears. There we go. And once it disappears, you can let go. Now the device will boot back up automatically, so you don't need to do anything extra. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.